a little while back I started doing a clock restoration and put it up on YouTube as Clock Restoration Part 1. I thought I was going to have millions of viewers. I thought they'd be driving me mad to want to see the second part, but after 4 views no one else wanted to see it, so I decided, yeah, what's the point? So I carried on, finished the clock without filming it. Anyway, since then, some of my fans, like my mates down the cafe, like, hey John, whatever did you do with that clock? I said, oh, well, I did finish it, so I thought I'd show you what the finished version looks like, although I haven't done the whole thing on video, but I'll talk you through it. So here's the clock which I started working on, and in a way I'm a bit gutted. I wish I had filmed the finish. It has turned out really nice, and it actually looks as good in real life as it does on this film. The last time, as I finished off the last video, I was just putting on the, what do you call it, the slate blacking on. Put a few layers of that on there, and to finish it off I used this stuff, Renaissance, what is it called? Let's get it in there. Renaissance Micro Crystalline Wax Polish. Anyway, that gave it a really nice little sheen as well. It came out looking really well. Okay, so obviously all these details had to be filled in again with gold, and that was going to be tricky. And in the past I've tried doing it with a paintbrush. My hand's just not steady enough, but I don't know where I got the idea that if something, I had an idea and I thought if this thing exists it'll be brilliant. Well, it actually does. It's called a uni paint marker, which is that, I don't know if that, let's get that to focus. There you go, uni paint marker. So what basically this is, it's got real paint in there. It smells of sort of thinners or something like that on a tip. So it's actually kind of just drawing. I was literally just using this to draw in, and you could do that much more easily, much easier rather than using a paintbrush. So that turned out really well as well. Round the back, you can see the mechanism. Cleaned everything throughout, oiled everything nice and cleanly. It runs really well. Getting it to be, oh, there we go, there's a chime. Dead on 3 o'clock, amazing. I'm quite pleased about that as well. Yeah, I sort of serviced the mechanism, and it runs perfectly, but getting it to be timed accurate is a little bit of a headache. Adjusting the pendulum up and down, and it's just the slightest turn can make it quick or slower. Probably better ways of doing that, but I don't know about those yet. I'm sure I'll find out. I've got more clocks coming up. There's one which I'm halfway through, which I started videoing, and one that arrived today but arrived in pieces. It was badly packaged when it was posted out to me, and it's literally, but it's probably been dropped, and you'll see the video to that one coming up soon. For now, thank you.